So today we are going to continue our dental education. We did start yesterday and we learned a couple vocabulary words to bring into today. Can someone tell me one vocabulary word that they learned yesterday? Mitchell?
Cavity.
What is a cavity?
A hole in your tooth.
Good. It's a hole in your tooth. Now this is a damaged area that could be caused by not brushing your teeth. Other vocabulary words that we did learn was plaque, which is a sticky deposit on your tooth. We learned what a tooth actually is. We learned what a dentist is and when you should go to him or her. And we learned what fluoride toothpaste is, which actually strengthens the enamel of your tooth and helps eliminate plaque and other gum diseases in your mouth. So that was the review from yesterday. Today we are going to start out with a quick video on the steps of how to take care of your teeth. Now today's lesson is going to be based on taking care of your teeth, and we're going to focus on demonstrating health behaviors and personal health to eliminate bacteria in your mouth and other diseases. So pay attention to this video because we will be doing an activity with either a partner or by yourself at the end of the class.
Yay! Time to brush. Why do we brush? We brush to remove plaque and stay clean.
What's plaque?
Plaque is yucky stuff that can stick to teeth. Plaque is bad because it's full of nasty germs. These germs...
Oops. It would help if I pulled the string down. Is that better, class?
Yeah.
can hurt teeth by making little holes called cavities. Plaque and cavities make teeth weaker. That's why it's super important to brush all the plaque off every day. To keep healthy teeth, we have to brush for 2 minutes every morning and 2 minutes every night before bed. It's really important to brush your teeth the right way. First, make sure to use a special kid's toothbrush when you brush. Kids' brushes fit little mouths and have soft bristles. Put a little drop, about the size of a pea, of fluoride toothpaste on your brush. Parents have to help babies brush their teeth, and babies can't use fluoride toothpaste. You have to be able to spit to use fluoride. Once you have the toothpaste on your toothbrush, open your mouth wide. Start with the teeth in the back of your mouth and brush in little circles. Work your way to the teeth in the front of your mouth, and don't forget to brush the gums. Move the brush back and forth, gently in short strokes. Brush the top, front, and back sides of each tooth. Make sure you get the insides of all the teeth. When you're done, be sure to spit out all the toothpaste. Don't swallow the toothpaste. It will upset your tummy. When you're done brushing, it's time to floss. Flossing can help remove food and plaque from in between teeth and along the gum line. Parents should start flossing their children's teeth as soon as they have 2 teeth that touch, and they should floss twice a week. When you floss, break out about 18 inches of floss. Wind the floss around your pointer finger. Hold the floss tightly between your thumbs and your fingers. Guide the floss between your teeth using a gentle rubbing motion. Never snap the floss into your gums. When the floss reaches the gum line, curve it into a C shape against one tooth. Hold the floss tightly against the tooth. Gently rub the side of the tooth, moving the floss away from the gum with an upward motion. By the time you're 7 or so, you should be flossing every night at bedtime with your mom or dad's supervision. One other way we can keep our teeth clean and healthy is by eating and drinking healthy foods. Eating healthy foods for breakfast, lunch, and dinner is the best way to keep your teeth and whole body in good shape. If you're hungry and want a snack, try foods like fruit, raw veggies, and low-fat cheese. Stay away from sugary sodas and sweets. If you're thirsty, drink water or low-fat milk. If you brush, floss, and eat right, you'll have a beautiful smile for your entire life. Find a My Kids Dentist location or request an
Okay. Mitchell, could you please get the lights for me? Thank you. So, how old are you guys right now? Second grade? How old are you, Mitchell? You don't know, you forgot. Second graders are usually 7 years old. You remember your age now?
Yeah, I'm 6.5.
You're 6.5? You're almost 7. So when you turn that 7, what are you going to start doing?
Going to the dentist?
Okay, you should be going to your dentist now.
Brushing my teeth by myself?
Good. You should brush your teeth by yourself. You should also start flossing. Good job.
Floss, I forgot.
So your number 1 rule. Here are some rules that you're going to follow when you brush your teeth. So you're going to floss. But when you floss, you do not want to pull up on your teeth. Because if you pull up on your teeth, you could damage your teeth. Another rule, when you are brushing your teeth, you should brush your teeth in circles. And you always start from the back of your mouth and work your way forward. Another rule, you should use a kid toothbrush with soft bristles. Now, does anyone know what a bristle is on a toothbrush? Mitchell?
It's the things that scrub your teeth.
Good. It's the brush of the toothbrush. So you want to get a soft one so it doesn't irritate your gums and make them bleed. You wouldn't want to spit up blood, would you? No. Now let's get into what you should and shouldn't eat. Can someone name something in the video that they said they should eat? Yes?
Raw veggies.
Good. Raw veggies. Now raw veggies have very low sugar, and if it does have sugar, it's a natural sugar. Now sugars in candies and sweet drinks are going to irritate your teeth and possibly cause cavities. And what are cavities again?
Rotting holes in your teeth.
Good, rotting holes in your teeth. So we want to eat less sugar.
More veggies.
More veggies. My marker's running. Less sugar. More veggies. What about your drinking? What should you drink?
Water.
Water. Good. Remember to raise your hand. So you should drink more water. And less soda, iced tea, even sometimes juicy juice are going to contain more sugars and bad things for your teeth than water and maybe even low-fat milk would. Can anyone add anything else that they think is a good rule for taking care of your teeth? Mitchell?
Brush twice a day.
Good, I forgot that. You should always brush twice a day. Now you could brush more than twice if you want to brush after every meal, but you're at school. And you should always floss at night. Nighttime, you're going to get all the excess food out. You're going to get maybe any plaque that you had in your teeth if you missed brushing. Also, when you are brushing your teeth, never swallow the toothpaste. I know it might taste good. You might want your breath to be so minty, but don't swallow the toothpaste. It's very bad for you. So what you want to do when you are finished brushing your teeth, and how long should you brush your teeth for?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Good. So after you brushed your teeth, you circled all of your teeth for 2 minutes. You're going to want to put some water in your mouth, circle it around, and then you're going to want to spit it out in the sink. So, anything else that anyone wants to add? Maybe that you do at home that you think other people wouldn't do? No? Let's see if I can add anything else. Let's see. Anything? No? Okay. So let's review a little bit. Does anyone go to the dentist now? You do, Mitchell? And how many times do you go?
Twice in 1 year.
So twice in 1 year? And do you know how many months are in a year?
12.
12 months. So if you go twice in 1 year, do you know how many months
Every 6
each?
months.
6 months, good job. So number 7, we'll add something else to our rules. You should go twice, 2 times a year to the dentist. And why you should do that? The dentist can get a deeper clean in your teeth. He or she can maybe do a treatment that protects your teeth a little bit more. He can check for cavities and extra plaque that you shouldn't have. And you should like your dentist. You shouldn't be afraid of him or her. So, these are rules. If you want to write them down super quick, or if you want to take a picture in your memory, you can. So you know to follow twice a day. You should follow it twice a day. And when you pack your lunch or you get lunch at school now, you should know maybe to get more veggies and maybe less cookies or less drinks and more water or low-fat milk. So now we are going to do a little activity. You can either do it with a partner or you can do it by yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to get actually a blank sheet of paper. On that blank sheet of paper, you're going to get in this little bag I prepared for you, steps to brushing your teeth. Now, the steps are going to go in order on your worksheet. And once you put them in order, lay them out first because you might find out that they maybe you got confused and a little bit are wrong. Ooh, don't throw your baggie. Maybe some are wrong. So make sure you double check your work before you do glue. Now, how I want your activity to look at the end is something like this. You like a straight line down, and you want them in order. Now, if you need any help, please ask questions because these can get a little bit tricky. Because some, you could do before and after brushing your teeth. So I'll be walking around to make sure that everything is going smoothly. And if you do finish before others, you can either take out a piece of paper and write down the notes that we wrote on the board and the vocabulary if you didn't get it yesterday. Or you can take out your library book and you can read silently until everyone is finished. Now, if you want, before you glue, you can raise your hand and I can check your work for you so you don't have to stick up the glue and you have to put it back down. Your hands won't get all sticky. Good job. You can start gluing. Okay, good. You're finished. If you could all please put your caps back onto your glue sticks so you don't get all gluey or you don't have glue onto your desk. So now we are going to finish up our lesson today. So we're going to receive an exit ticket. Now this is an exit ticket that before you go to recess, you're going to have to turn into me. Then we're going to see how much you understood the lesson today. So before we get the exit ticket, who can tell me one thing that they learned today and what their favorite thing they learned today was? Mitchell.
Flossing at night. How to floss.
How to floss. Good. One more thing. Wow, you are full of answers today. Mitchell?
What foods not to eat?
And can you name one food not to eat?
Soda.
Soda. Yes. Candy.
Reese's, Kit Kats, peanut butter cups.
Yeah, definitely. All of those are full of sugar that can
Snickers
cause...
bars.
Good. All of those are full of sugar that can cause cavities in your mouth. So today we did focus on demonstrating health behaviors and personal health for you guys to be able to take care of your mouth a little bit better. So now on your exit ticket, and does anyone need a pen or pencil? No? I want you to tell me what size should the toothpaste be on your toothbrush? And if anyone needs me to repeat the question, I can. Just raise your hand, please. And when you're finished, raise your hand and I can pick it up.
Could you repeat the question, please?
What size should your toothpaste be on your toothbrush before you brush your teeth? You could raise your hand, please, when you're finished. Thank you. All right. Good job.